Which point shown in the graph below is the image of point A after a counterclockwise rotation of 90 degrees about the origin? This is the origin. So first we have to connect this point A with the origin. Next, we will use projector because we have here counterclockwise rotation. So we have to place our projector in the origin. We have to have this point, and the one side of our projector must be on the line which connect point A with the origin. And now we move counterclockwise. We have counterclockwise rotation, so we have to move to the right 90 degrees. So 90 degrees we have here. Point D is only on this line. The angle between point A and D is 90 degrees. So we have our answer. The image of point A after counterclockwise rotation of 90 degrees about the origin is point D. So this is our solution. The angle between the line which connect point A with the origin is 90 degrees and point D. And we have here counterclockwise rotation, so we have to move to the right. When we have clockwise rotation, we have to move to the left. We have to move like clock. Because we have counterclockwise rotation, we have to move to the right, opposite. So this is our solution. Point D is the image of our point A after counterclockwise rotation of 90 degrees about the origin.